Natural skincare. Nurturing your skin with nature. Hello everyone! Today, I want to talk about an essential aspect of overall wellness that often goes hand in hand with our health. Natural skincare. Our skin is the largest organ of the body, acting as a protective barrier against environmental toxins, UV rays, and free radicals. Using natural skincare products can provide gentle yet effective care, nourishing your skin while supporting its natural functions. Natural skincare focuses on using ingredients derived from plants, minerals, and other natural sources, rather than relying on synthetic chemicals. These natural ingredients offer numerous benefits, from hydration and nourishment to antioxidant protection and soothing properties. By choosing natural skincare, you are supporting the health of your skin at the cellular level. One of the main benefits of natural skincare is deep hydration and nourishment. Ingredients like aloe vera, shea butter, coconut oil, and jojoba oil provide essential fatty acids and vitamins that help maintain the skin's moisture barrier. Hydrated skin is not only softer and smoother, but also better protected against environmental stressors. Natural skincare is also rich in antioxidants. Ingredients such as green tea, vitamin C, and rosehip oil help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage skin cells, cause premature aging, and contribute to fine lines and wrinkles. Antioxidants in natural skincare protect your skin, helping it remain youthful and radiant over time. Another important benefit is soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Many natural ingredients, like chamomile, calendula, and lavender, help calm irritated or sensitive skin. They can reduce redness, inflammation, and discomfort, making them ideal for people with delicate skin or conditions like eczema and rosacea. Natural skincare also supports skin regeneration and repair. Ingredients such as aloe vera, honey, and rosehip oil promote cell turnover and healing, helping to fade scars, reduce blemishes, and restore skin's natural glow. This makes natural products excellent choices for maintaining healthy, resilient skin. Furthermore, natural skincare is often gentle and safe for long-term use. Unlike some synthetic chemicals that may cause irritation or disrupt hormonal balance, natural ingredients work in harmony with your skin. They provide effective results without harsh side effects, allowing for a sustainable skincare routine. Practical ways to incorporate natural skincare into your routine include cleansers. Use gentle plant-based cleansers to remove dirt, makeup, and impurities without stripping your skin. Moisturizers. Apply natural oils, butters, or creams to keep skin hydrated and supple. Serums and treatments. Use antioxidant-rich serums to support skin face masks. Ingredients like clay, honey, or oatmeal can detoxify, soothe, and nourish the skin. Sunscreen. Mineral-based sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide protect against UV damage while being gentle on the skin. It is important to note that natural skincare is suitable for most skin types, but it is always a good idea to patch test new products, especially if you have sensitive or reactive skin. Choosing high-quality, organic ingredients ensures maximum benefits without unwanted chemicals. In conclusion, natural skincare is more than just a trend. It is a holistic approach to maintaining healthy, radiant skin. By using plant-based ingredients and natural formulations, you can hydrate, protect, and nourish your skin while supporting its natural functions. Regular use of natural skincare products helps reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, promote regeneration, and maintain a youthful glow. Nature has provided us with a wealth of ingredients that offer gentle, effective, and sustainable care for our skin. From antioxidants and moisturizers to soothing herbs and healing oils, natural skincare empowers you to take control of your skin health in a holistic way. Thank you for listening, and I encourage you to explore the benefits of natural skincare. Let the power of nature nurture your skin, enhance your natural beauty, and support a healthier, balanced life every day.